Hi there, this is AG with another AGIY, hoping to bring you a little inspiration for your own creation. Today's project is a bird feeder. So to start off, I picked up a candlestick there, that really cool metal bowl with that really yellow color. I love it so much, and I didn't have to do anything to it. We got some paint, we got some Elmer's glue, and we have some spoons. So to get started, I wanted to get these spoons fastened to this bowl and set aside so that adhesive could dry. So you see there, I bent the spoons, and those are going to be the little things that the birdies can stand on when they're eating their food or just kind of enjoying the bird feeder that we made for them. Now you're going to see later on I have to take that apart and I have to do some hot glue. We'll talk about that when we get there. So to start off, I was trying to do this unique finish with this wood. I don't think it came out exactly how it was supposed to, but you first put down a neutral base on whatever item you have there, and you let that dry. You see I pulled out my handy dandy hair dryer there, got that dried up pretty good. My hands did get a little painty, as you see there, and then there you go, there's that hot glue gun. Now when you're trying to use adhesive and then glue it to something, if it starts wiggling around, you probably want to do some hot glue so that way it'll hold it while that adhesive is drying. So there you see I grabbed my Elmer's glue, and I wanted to put a nice coat of that on top of that white paint, and then I chose this really cute little blue there. It's kind of like almost like an eggshell, and I put that over the Elmer's glue there, and then I used the hair dryer, and ideally it was supposed to make it kind of more of a aged look. I'm going to try this again, I promise you, and I think that you should probably try it at home too on some different surfaces. So I took that bowl and I used the adhesive and that hot glue and I attached it to that candlestick, and there you go, a cute little bird feeder. Super easy, super fun. Hope you like that. We'll see you next time. Bye guys.